Game for the next level? Think inside the box.
Focus is needed for best leadership and for research based initiatives. Even the most self sacrificing, earnest leaders should remain focused. True to this trust is on focus, and no wonder in 2 decades we have grown as the most sought after educational institute, be it the school education or higher education. Keeping this in focus, the Dean, Wales Group of Schools is organizing annual symposium for the teachers regularly. The topic for this year is potentialities to performance. I am happy to note that Mr. Rajiv, MD, CEO is inaugurating the same on 27th April 2015. My good wishes for every success for this event, and I am sure all the participating teachers will be benefited. Wishing you all good luck. Thank you.
My good wishes to all my parents, particularly the regular visitors of Parent Circle magazine. We as Wales Group of School cater to needs of all the Indian boards like CBSE, ICSE, NIOS, besides a Cambridge International program. Today, the curriculum is important, and to make the curricular transaction effective, teachers require to be trained. The onus is more on Wales because we are offering all types of curricula, and annually, unfailingly, we organize a program inviting experts so that they will be able to give an insight of what their commitments are. To me, a teacher should be passionate. Who is a passionate teacher? A passionate teacher is one who absolutely loves the students. They not only bother about teaching for the time being, that 45 minutes or so. The class should be living in the minds of the children for weeks, months and years together. So unless they touch the lives of the students, I don't think teachers will be able to be carrying out. So I reiterate, he must be passionate. Passionate teachers are those who should be enthusiastic and act in such a way that the children listen to them with rapt attention. To me, a passionate teacher is one who is going to add high values. What are the high values? The teacher must be able to know what is the context in which she is teaching across, what is the relevance she is teaching across, and how much sensitivity must be there in the classroom. So keeping all those things, if the teacher prepares and goes, please understand, a teacher has got a potentiality and the child has got a potentiality, both should mix and match, then the performance could evolve. Presently, even the Prime Minister talks about a skilled India. How can you have a skilled India unless you have skilled teachers? Because if the teacher, they touch the eternity. You do not know where the influence stops. Teacher does tirelessly, and whatever person has come in life, she cannot forget a teacher's life. So the teacher becomes all the more important to me. So basically, teachers should be receptive. When you go to a class, the class gives you a challenge. Most of the time, you say that you go with the preparedness. But sometimes, or many a time, that preparedness doesn't happen in the classroom. More than the intended teaching, unintended things happen, as rightly said by Professor Krishna Kumar, former director of the NCERT, who says that when a teacher goes, suddenly something may crop up, and the teacher must be agile to understand the challenge and answer the questions. And over a period of time, I could find visibly changes happening in the teachers. And when we introduced the CBSE I, that is CBSE International Curriculum, the first time in India, People are apprehensive about it, but we were able to enroll 450 children and we have got about 28 teachers. All of them have been trained, and this type of a regular symposium we have acts as an impetus, as a motivation to the teachers. And I'm sure if you even ask my teachers, they'll be personally be benefited by such programs. See, a teacher who just does in her own way. This is an opportunity where all the teachers come, share their ideas, and they exchange notes. Say, maybe I may be doing in one particular way in a classroom, but the same situation, teacher must have handled differently. That's why I use the word experienced teacher and an expert teacher. An experienced teacher is one who is able to touch only the surface of learning, whereas an expert teacher is one who is able to have a deeper sense, or where they make a student to go into the deep institutions or deep instructions and see how best they are, because that deep makes an impressionable, indelible mark in their life to carry on, and not just coming to a class, getting a mark and getting away. I find however experienced they were, now those who attend the program have become experts. So we have the first speaker of the day is one Mrs. Aruna Shankar Narayanan. She runs an organization called Prayatana, where she is focusing more on the inclusive education, because after all, that is also a potential that should become a performance. My next speaker is from I Discover I, an organization which have been successful in promoting a beautiful pre-primary and middle school curriculum. An expert from them is going to be the second speaker, and the third speaker is again one Mr. Ujjwal. He is a strategic partner for the Pearson PAN organization. You know, Pearson is something to be reckoned with, and he is the strategic partner. And the most important, the last session of the first day is going to be by one Mr. C.L. Ramakrishnan, IPS. I tell you, he is a hero to be worshipped, who is an authority of the Indian scriptures, Indian knowledges, and he is going to focus more on how the potentialities will become a performance with reference to our own cultures. And on the second day, we have our own principal, Mrs. Meenakshi, who is a Cambridge trainer. Now, she is going to give some instruction about an international curriculum, followed by a sports program. There is one Leap Startup organization. They are doing a lot of sports program where, unlike regular classes where you just go to the class and play and in an unorganized way, this Leap Start is doing an exceedingly organized program. Now, through games, however, potentialities could be brought into performance. And then the next session is going to be from you, the parent circle. You're going to talk about how good we'll be able to interact with the parents. And the last session is going to be by one Mrs. Kirtana, who runs an organization called Flying Elephants. Through that, she's going to motivate. In all 8 sessions, 2 days, 4 each, may appear to be packed. But those who attend will come on the 28th at 4:30. When they come out, each one will feel enriched, and they will be able to start a new page for the next academic year, 2015-16.